If you just got your dbrand kill switch for the ROG Ally X, relax, this is going to be easy. First, wipe your device free of dust and fingerprints with the included microfiber cloth. For optimal results, ensure you are under bright lighting. Note that your kill switch case comes with up to 5 elements: a case, a travel cover, a set of stick grips, a skin, and a tempered glass screen protector. A microfiber cloth is also included to help smooth down the edges of the skin. If you ordered a screen protector, it should be installed before attaching the case. We have a separate tempered glass tutorial video linked in the description. Go watch that, then come back here when you're done. See you back here in a bit. If you didn't purchase a screen protector, let's get started. If you're installing a skin, make sure to apply it before attaching the case, as a portion of the skin tucks under the border. If you're not planning to use a skin with your case, jump ahead to the time shown on screen. Note that each skin comes with 2 pieces, right and left. Let's start with the right piece. Remove the skin from the 3M paper. Then, line it up around the microphone and speaker cutouts. Pay close attention to ensure that both the button and speaker cutouts are perfectly aligned. If the cutouts aren't in the correct position, remove the skin and try again. Once the skin is in the correct position, apply pressure to the front surface. Apply an extra round of pressure around the joystick. Make sure to leave the border of the skin unstuck. Next, firmly wrap the outer edge of the skin. This next step is very important. Follow it closely, otherwise your skin may end up looking like this. Grab your microfiber cloth and rub the border of the skin 10 to 15 times. This friction will smooth down the sharp edges, ensuring the skin won't bunch up when you're installing the case. Once applied, your skin should look like this. The procedure for the left side of the skin is identical. Chances are you won't remember all of those instructions, so jump back to the time shown on screen. See you back here in a bit. Now, it's time to install your kill switch case. Before getting started, let's take a closer look at the case. First, note the pull tabs on each shoulder. These will help to pull the corners of the case over the device. Finally, note that there's a hidden micro SD card holder under the kickstand. To begin, ensure the pull tabs are oriented in an upright position. Next, insert your device into the bottom of the case. Now, rest the bottom of the case on a flat surface. Press down on the trigger with your thumb, then use the opposite hand to pull the corner onto the depressed trigger. This will require a bit of strength. Don't worry about damaging your case or the device. Repeat this process for the left trigger. Now that both corners are in the correct position, use the tabs to finish pulling both sides over the triggers. Next, squeeze the middle portion of the case to pop it over the top edge. Squeeze down the entire top edge once more to make sure the case is snugly fitted against the device. Finally, let's remove the pull tabs. To do so, pull apart the 2 wings until their adhesive bond is separated. Finish by pulling the tab out from the bottom. You should hang on to these pull tabs. They're reusable in the event that you ever need to reinstall the case. Once complete, your kill switch should look like this. Next, let's apply the stick grips. First, remove the cardboard sleeve and choose either stick grip. They're identical. Installation is easy. Just pop it on. If your stick grip looks like this, it's not on all the way. Press down harder. Repeat for the opposite side. Next up is the travel cover. On the off chance you leave your house, the travel cover can be attached to the front of your case for protection while in transit. To install the travel cover, just hook it around the triggers, then squeeze the bottom. To remove the travel cover, hold the case as shown and push it off from the ribbed corners. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.